Hello, my friends. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all of you to Come join me in my southern kitchen as I prepare some delicious, easy, mouth-watering, thebomb.com southern soul food recipes. I will also be sharing some fabulous fashion with all of you. So let's get started, and I hope you enjoy all the magic that I put together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. I see you soon, my friends. Much love.